your patience. So Blaze added the Chargers, Dolphins, Bengals, and Bears. Already had the 49ers. Okay, cool. All right, everybody. Sorry about the delay. We're going to go ahead and start ripping. So this is the 8-box leaf break. We got the 4. Sorry, I'll set them down where you can actually see them. We got the 4 boxes of Leaf Metal Football. We got 2 of the signed mini helmets. And then we got 2 of the jerseys. So, anybody want to start off with anything in particular? I'm thinking mini helmet, 2 Leafs, jersey, and then repeat that one more time. Somebody give me a thumbs up. All right, let's go. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for joining. We do have some breaks that just got posted last night. So if you want to check out our eBay account, they will be ripping next Tuesday. We have we have a full first off the line case of Contenders football. We have a 3-box break of Contenders football, Court Kings basketball, and we also have a mixer of Obsidian football and Contenders. Sorry, brain is not working full speed today. I'm trying to get this cut open here. Okay, first mini helmet. We got going to the 49ers. Wow, that's awesome. One of my favorite players of all time. Got a Frank Gore on the mini helmet. Congrats, Blaze. Banking on the memorabilia. Well, there you go. That's a good start. That's Beckett, BAS, authenticated on the 49ers mini. Frank Gore. That's sick. So congrats to Blaze. All right. Let's go ahead and rip into the metal. Sorry, this blade is complete garbage. First box of metal, if I can get it open. We got cards going every which way. All right, here we go. First one up, we got Jalen Weidermeyer, Texas A&M. I don't recall what team he got drafted by. That's one of 4. Looks like we got a printing plate on the back, maybe. I'm going to check on these teams as we go, just so I'm not completely lost. Jalen Weidermeyer. Jalen Weidermeyer is going to the Colts. There you go, Colts. Congrats. Yeah, the metal cards are awesome. The baseball this year, everything is numbered to 15 or less, and it's just been awesome so far. Next up, Hendon Hooker. Silver, 28 of 30. That's to the unsold collegiate spot. Next up, it's a nice looking little card there. Derek Stingley Jr. I know that one's to the Texans. The Stingley is 4 of 5 on the rookie auto. Nice one here for the Jets. Sauce Gardner. 5 of 5. Sauce Gardner for the Jets. Wow, good box. Last card of this box is a 1 of 1 printing plate of Aiden Hutchinson for the Lions. So whoever had the Lions, congrats. Definitely easily paid for your spot there. I'm going to get a little trash pile going over here. All right, box number 2. Yep, another unsold. You should have just closed it out there, Blaze. Should have closed it out. You'd be killing it right Okay, here we go. We got Jaquari Roberson. That one is 13 of 20 on the blue ice. Whoa, sorry about that. Bumped into the camera. Gonna check the team on that one. The Jaquari Roberson is going to. He's currently in the XFL. He signed out of college with the Cowboys after going undrafted. So that one's going to the Cowboys. Jaquari Roberson, congrats. Next up is Xavier Hutchinson. I had one of him. I should remember what team he is on. 29 of 30. Let me check that one. Xavier Hutchinson is still in college, Iowa State. So that is going to the high school / college spot. 29 of 30. Next up, Trayshawn Holden on the Blue Wave. 18 of 25. Let's check that one. Trayshawn Holden is playing at Alabama right now. So that's also going to the collegiate spot. Next up is Ty Freifogel. Pulled a ton of this guy. That is going to the Chiefs. Ty Freifogel is 7 of 10. So congrats, Chiefs. There you go. Nice. That's a beautiful card. Sam Howell. 1 of 5. Go Heels. That is going to the Commanders. There we go. Okay, so decent first two box. Really good first box of medals in it. Not too bad second box. Let's go with a jersey now. Yeah, you should have made an offer. Can't get a blade to stay. So we got the Tristar Hidden Treasures signed jersey. Yeah, like that. Okay, here we go. So the first jersey is going to be going to, looks like the Jets. Curtis Martin. Wow. Don't see a ton of his stuff. That's kind of sick. So the COA is covering up the autograph. Trying to do this without messing anything up. So, just trying to get it to where the autograph's visible. You wouldn't have liked it. Never know, man. Here we go. Finally got to show the autograph. Curtis Martin on the signed jersey for the Jets. That's pretty sweet. Two really cool players on the memorabilia pieces so far. All right. Next up, we're going back to a mini helmet. These boxes are clean. Open. Next up for the Cowboys, Mel Renfro on the signed mini helmet. Trying to show the autograph. Mel Renfro is also Beckett authenticated. Probably can't see up in there, but it is. There's a sticker. Mel Renfro for the Cowboys is Beckett authenticated. So congrats to the Cowboys. A couple cool cards already, or a couple cool pieces already. On to box number 3 of metal. First one up, we got Kennedy Brooks. Not familiar with that name either. I feel like I've heard it, but Kennedy Brooks is going to the Eagles. Kennedy Brooks is 9 of 20 on the blue ice. Congrats, Eagles. Jermaine Johnson. I want to say Jets is getting that one. Pretty sure. Jermaine Johnson, yes, for the Jets. That is 13 of 15. Next up is Travis Dye. Sorry for having to check on all these. I just don't want to say anything wrong. Travis Dye is still in college. He is a USC Trojan. 2 out of 15 going to the collegiate spot. Kalon Robinson, 5 of 30. Looks like a Texas uniform. Kalon Robinson is a Texas Longhorn, so that's also going to the college/high school spot. And lastly, in this box, we got a Trayvon Henderson. The Trayvon Henderson is 3 of 4. And Trayvon Henderson is a Cincinnati Bengal. All right, so that'll do it for box number 3 of metal. Got one more box of metal and one more jersey. Guess I'm really banking on that jersey to go to 105. It happens, man. Got good days and you got bad days. Hopefully we can make this one end up being a good day for you. Man, these cards are so sick. First up, we have Jaden Reed. Sorry, I'm way off center on the camera here. Jaden Reed is 1 of 5, and Jaden Reed is currently playing for Michigan State. So that is also going to the collegiate spot. Put this back with that jersey. Next up, we got DeMarvin Leal. You did get the Frank Gore helmet, yeah. DeMarvin Leal is going to the Steelers. DeMarvin Leal is 14 of 15 for the Steelers. Next up, we got Calvin Austin. I know he's for the Steelers. 1 of 25. Calvin Austin. Next up, got Kayvon Thibodeau. The Thibodeau is 3 of 7 for the Giants. Nice. There you go, Giants. Beautiful card. And last card of the break, Quinn Ewers. He's still with Texas. That's 4 of 10, so that's going to the collegiate high school spot. There we go. All right, that'll do it for the metal. Last box of this break is going to be a jersey. congrats to everybody who's hit. Good luck to everybody who hasn't. Here's your last chance on this one. Guess I'm good at taking the plastic off. Take it. Okay, here we go. Last jersey. Going to the Vikings, it looks. Oh, never mind. Going to the Cincinnati Bengals. Jamar Chase. On an LSU jersey, I assume. That's pretty sick. Tristar authenticated, and it's got Jamar Chase's own hollow. So Jamar Chase signed. Yeah, I see the yellow peeking out now. Jamar Chase signed LSU jersey. That was you, wasn't it, Blaze? Yeah. There you go. Not bad for $65, man. Giving out values around here. Jamar Chase. There you go, Blaze. Hopefully you're happy now. All right, everybody. Well, next up we got the Leaf. Or not Leaf, sorry, good grief. Next up we got a case of Panini Prism Soccer EPL Choice. Yeah, that is a nice one, Blaze, for sure. So next up we got the case of soccer. After that we have Obsidian Asia Basketball. Then after that is the Optic Football Hanger Box Break, an Optic Basketball Case Break, Topps Hobby Break, Topps Retail Break. So also we have at least 4 breaks that are going to be ending Monday night. That'll be breaking Tuesday on our eBay account. So if you guys don't care, go check that out. Go check those out, throw some bids on it, and we will be back live here with that on Tuesday. So congrats to those who hit. Thanks again.